Alright, this matchup's okay.
I must protect the wild.
Face hunter. Even.
I smell blood.
The Nightmare. Wow. We're getting Infiltrator plus Glaive Zuka. It's pretty cool. It's interesting. Okay. Chow hero ability. Innervate Druid Chow. Innervate Druid Chow.
Where shall I strike? I'll show them. I'll show them all.
Now to silence. So I want to silence off the explosive trap. Or am I okay with it? If I don't silence off the explosive trap, I get to clear the board here. That's pretty good. And suppose it's freezing trap. I don't mind. Actually, it loses me no tempo for this to happen. If it's snakes, then we have a problem. But it's not snakes.
For the wild.
Rap to nowhere, but you never know what might be over the horizon.
I have no time for games.
Another explosive. Probably. Just do it, right? Yeah.
Let none survive.
For the wild.
It's definitely gonna be Keeper. Question is, do I gain 1 health? No, because, well, if I play 1 minion and I hero ability, well, say I play this. He's at 11. No, he's at 10. And I have 11, 12 on the table with my hero ability. So shouldn't I play the safest possible play? The problem is if he has kill command, then he kill commands my Sylvanas and I only have 6 damage to do on his 11. If I play Keeper and Azure, I do lose to exactly Hounds plus kill command for 4, 6. Hounds plus 4, 6. I think I play Drake.
Time waits for no one.
I thought it through.
I must safeguard the land.
Let none survive.
The 1 damage, the 1 extra health, and you weigh it against your chance of lethaling him. And here, if he kills Sylvanas, I have the 11 on the board still. The dogs is only a win if he has it in combination with skill. So not only does he have to be lucky, he also needs to be skillful.
Put this apple on your head.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
3, 4, 5. Oh no! 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 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah!